Best circular saws. Are you looking for the best circular saws? In this video we will look at some of the best circular saws on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Makita 5377 Magnesium Hypoid Saw. Experience unmatched cutting performance with the Makita 5377 mg, a 15-amp worm drive circular saw built for professionals and serious DIYers alike. Engineered to slice effortlessly through heavy, pressure-treated lumber, this saw powers through 2x10s and tougher materials with ease. Its 7¼ inch, 24-tooth blade delivers precise, clean cuts every time, making it perfect for framing, decking, and general construction work. Weighing just 13.2 pounds, the Makita 5377 mg is lighter than most saws in its class thanks to magnesium components, reducing fatigue during extended use. The magnesium motor housing is not just lightweight, it ensures constant, powerful performance and longevity. Sealed motor components and a built-in fan continuously lubricate the worm drive gears with oil, eliminating the frequent maintenance required by traditional worm drive saws. Designed for precision and ease, this saw offers excellent blade line visibility and a spacious handle for comfortable grip and operation. The corded design guarantees uninterrupted power, so you're never left mid-cut. From trimming sanded plywood to demoing subfloors or even making trench cuts, this saw handles it all. Durable, powerful, and engineered for smooth operation, the Makita 5377 mg is the ultimate choice for anyone seeking reliability, efficiency, and professional-grade performance in a circular saw. Number 2. Skil 15-amp corded circular saw. The Skil 5280-2001 is a high-performance corded circular saw that combines precision, power, and ease of use at an unbeatable value. Equipped with a 15-amp motor and a 7¼ inch, 24-tooth blade, this saw delivers consistent torque, allowing you to cut through lumber, plywood, and framing materials with minimal resistance. Whether you're performing rips, crosscuts, or angled cuts, this saw handles the job smoothly and efficiently. Weighing just 8.8 pounds, the Skil 5280-2001 is lightweight enough for extended projects without causing hand or arm fatigue. Its ergonomically designed handle ensures a comfortable grip, while the parallel shoe and easily adjustable cutting depth provide precision and control for every cut. The bright power indicator light adds a layer of safety by letting you know exactly when the saw is powered on. Ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, this saw combines Skil's long-standing experience with circular saws into a reliable, budget-friendly tool. Its compact design makes it easy to maneuver, and the robust motor ensures smooth operation even when the blade is fully submerged in thick lumber. From framing and decking to woodworking and general construction, the Skil 5280-2001 is a versatile, dependable tool that gets the job done every time. Number 3. Bosch 18V Cordless Circular Saw. The Bosch GKS 18V25 GCB14 sets a new standard for cordless circular saws, combining precision, power, and convenience in a lightweight, versatile package. Powered by an 18V8Ah battery, this saw weighs just 11.6 pounds, making it nimble enough for extended use while still delivering impressive cutting performance. Its 7¼ inch, 24-tooth blade slices through framing lumber, plywood, and other materials with smooth, accurate results. Designed for precision, the saw features a thumb latch above the trigger to easily adjust cutting depth. Simply move the latch forward, press down, and adjust the shoe for your desired blade exposure. The saw's aluminum accessory track, sold separately, allows for table saw level accuracy. Just place the track on your material and slide the saw along it for perfectly straight rips or crosscuts every time. This Bosch saw also includes an eco mode for light-duty cuts, conserving battery life, and 6 variable speeds to handle everything from thin plywood to full-depth construction lumber. A battery life readout keeps you informed so you can manage your work without interruption. Ergonomically designed and packed with features, the Bosch GKS 18V25 GCB14 offers professional-grade performance in a cordless form factor. Lightweight, precise, and easy to use, it's perfect for carpenters, contractors, and serious DIYers who demand reliable, accurate, and efficient cutting on the job site or at home. Make your cuts faster, straighter, and smarter with Bosch. Number 4. DEWALT 20V Max XR Cordless Circular Saw. Take your cutting power cordless with the DEWALT DCS 590, a versatile circular saw designed for professionals and serious DIYers. Equipped to run on a standard 20V max battery or the high-capacity 20/60V FlexVolt battery, sold separately, this saw delivers unparalleled performance, allowing repeated cuts at a maximum depth of 2 9/16 inches without losing power. From framing lumber to plywood and beyond, this saw keeps going long after lesser tools would need a recharge. Weighing just 8.2 pounds plus battery, the DCS 590 is nimble and comfortable to handle, with ergonomically designed handles and a rubberized grip that reduce fatigue during extended cutting sessions. Its 7 1/4 inch, 24-tooth framing blade spins at 5,500 revolutions per minute, delivering smooth, precise cuts every time. The electronic blade brake adds a safety boost by stopping the blade within seconds after releasing the trigger. Accuracy and control are at the forefront of this saw's design. Adjustable depth settings let you dial in the perfect cut, while the lightweight, balanced build ensures steady, straight rips or crosscuts without strain. Whether you're working on a construction site, remodeling a room, or tackling large-scale DIY projects, the DEWALT DCS 590 delivers consistent, professional-grade results. For those who want the freedom of cordless cutting without compromising power or precision, the DEWALT DCS 590 is the ultimate solution, durable, smooth, and engineered for high-performance work. Number 5. Makita 5007mg Circular Saw. The Makita 5007mg is a professional-grade corded circular saw designed for accuracy, power, and long-lasting performance. With a robust 15-amp motor and a 7/1/4 inch, 24-tooth framing blade spinning at 5,800 revolutions per minute, this saw effortlessly slices through lumber, plywood, and construction materials with smooth, precise cuts. Its magnesium construction keeps the weight at just 10.6 pounds, reducing fatigue and making extended projects easier on your hands and arms. Built for precision, the 5007mg features 2 onboard LED lights that illuminate your cutting line for improved visibility in low-light conditions. A duct dust blower keeps debris away from the blade line, ensuring clean, accurate cuts every time. The saw's ergonomic design and balanced weight distribution make it comfortable to handle, even during prolonged use. While it is corded, sacrificing some portability, the upside is uninterrupted power for demanding tasks, making it perfect for heavy-duty woodworking, framing, or deck construction. This saw is a reliable investment for any workshop or job site, providing the cutting performance you need for years to come. Durable, precise, and powerful, the Makita 5007mg is ideal for professionals and serious DIYers who value performance and longevity in a circular saw. From framing lumber to precise trim work, it delivers consistent results with every cut, making it an essential tool for your toolkit.